Everyone remembers this sound, right? Windows XP. But almost nobody used it to its full power. Today I'll show you advanced Windows XP tricks, hidden features, and why this operating system from over 20 years ago was way ahead of its time. Windows XP launched back in 2001, and it was revolutionary because it combined two different worlds: the rock-solid stability of Windows NT, which businesses loved, with the user-friendly simplicity of Windows 98. This mix made XP faster, more stable, and absolutely perfect for power users who wanted to get things done. So, let's start with some performance tuning. This is a classic trick. Right-click on my computer, go to Properties, then the Advanced tab, and click Performance Settings. Now here's the pro move. Select Adjust for best performance. This turns off all the flashy visual effects, but we don't want it to look completely basic. So, re-enable just two options: smooth edges of screen fonts to make text readable, and show window contents while dragging so you can see what you're moving. This keeps XP snappy while still looking pretty good. Now for a real secret, the hidden administrator account. If you boot XP in safe mode, it automatically exposes a special administrator account that's normally hidden. This account bypasses most system restrictions, giving you full control. Power users relied on this for deep system fixes, editing the registry without permission issues, and recovering broken drivers. It was the ultimate key to the kingdom. Speaking of the registry, this is where the real power of XP lives. If you type regedit in the run box, you open up the brain of the operating system. Advanced users would dive in here to tweak everything. You could disable startup delays to make your PC boot faster, remove system animations for a snappier feel, and even speed up how quickly menus render. But a quick warning: editing the registry can seriously break your system if you don't know what you're doing. This is definitely for experts only. And let's talk customization. XP wasn't just that famous blue Luna theme. You could easily switch to the classic Windows theme that looked like Windows 2000. But even better, you could install custom third-party visual styles. This made XP one of the most customizable Windows versions ever, letting you make your desktop look exactly how you wanted. Finally, networking. XP made setting up a home network simple with its wizard, but advanced users took it further. They set up workgroups for LAN parties, configured NTFS file permissions for security, and created shared folders with user-level access. This was huge for early LAN gaming, running home file servers, and building your own home lab. Now, a very important reality check: Windows XP is no longer secure for modern internet use. It hasn't received security updates in years. Today, advanced users only run XP offline, inside a virtual machine for safety, or on dedicated retro hardware for old software and games. Please don't connect it directly to the internet. Windows XP wasn't just an OS, it was a legend that empowered a generation of power users. If you want more deep dives into retro tech, optimization, or virtual machines, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching.